Welcome to our Armenian Wine Discovery Day, and we head out from Yerevan towards the beautiful ARDI region and towards the Armenian Alphabet monument, which was created in 2005, dedicated to the invention of our alphabet by Mesrop Mashtots in 401 AD. And we each found our letters, jumped all over them, took some photos, and then headed back to the van and towards the much anticipated lunch at the famous VanArdi Winery. And VanArdi was the first boutique winery, and it's well known for its delicious food feasts. And here's our awesome group just trying to stay out of the sun. We had a tour of the winery where we learnt about their grapes, and we were shown how they make their organic wines. And they actually play classical music to their grapes, which was interesting. We ended up climbing up the bell tower and rang the bell, which sends out these beautiful frequencies towards the vines. Then it was wine tasting time, and we enjoyed each other's company over some delicious wines and food, and it was beautiful. And here's my favorite wine, yum. Everything just tasted much more delicious under the Armenian sun. Back onto the bus, and we're louder than we were in the morning. And by now we were singing and dancing, enjoying the Armenian tunes towards our next stop, which was the Armenian Wine Factory and Museum. And it was hot, and those pink fans came in handy. And we headed 8 meters down underground towards the cool tunnels of the Wine History Museum of Armenia. We danced with the classical music, which was putting the wine to sleep in their barrels. And this museum showcases 8,000 years of wine history. And how can we go back without enjoying a few more wines with cheese and crackers? And really happy now. We jumped onto the bus, looking forward to the drive back to Yerevan. And we all really enjoyed ourselves singing and dancing. And I really love this group. We had a blast, and we ended up heading back to Yerevan, all happy.